Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You have the file and permissions ready. Start by opening your Files or Downloads app and locating the live wallpaper file. Tap the file to preview it so you know it's the right animation and length. If it's inside a wallpaper app, open that app and grant any requested permissions now. Once done, choose Set as Wallpaper or export the file to the System Wallpapers folder so the OS can access it for the next steps. Now, long press an empty area on your home screen or go to Settings Wallpaper and select Live Wallpapers. You should see the File or App Provided option. Tap it to open the preview and use pinch or crop controls to frame the animation correctly. Make sure to set playback options, loop rate, motion sensitivity, or sound, according to your preference. Once configured, tap Set and choose Home, Lock, or both so the system applies the live wallpaper where you want it. Finish by confirming the wallpaper appears on the chosen screens. If it doesn't show, restart your device to force the OS to refresh assets. If you notice excessive battery use, go back to Settings and disable continuous playback, lower frame rate, or set it to animate only on touch. If the preview or set operation fails, clear the wallpaper app cache or reinstall the app and re-import the file. That usually resolves permission or corrupt.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.